selamat sore, selamat berjumpa lagi dengan saya Selamat Macan. Oke, di kesempatan sore hari ini menjelang azan maghrib, saatnya kita akan berbuka puasa. Kita akan berkesempatan terbangkan tipis-tipis armada SJRC F5 S Pro Plus ini guys, untuk sekalian Manasi. Nah, kita terbangkan ke atas sambil lihat-lihat dari atas saja seperti apa, sekalian kita ngabuburit. Tapi ya tinggal mungkin 5 menitan lagi udah azan maghrib. Oke, nggak lama-lama, ikuti dan tonton terus videonya sampai selesai. Dan bagi yang baru saja menemukan channel saya, jangan lupa dukungannya dengan cara subscribe dan pencet lonceng notifikasinya agar tahu video terbaru saya. Dan bila suka dengan video saya, jangan lupa like, share, dan komennya, karena semua itu gratis agar ke depan channel saya makin berkembang, bermanfaat, dan dapat menghibur sobat semua. Pastinya super khusus membuat saya lebih semangat lagi dalam berkarya. Oke, tetap salam kompak dan salam seduluran selawase. Ojo lali ngopi biar enggak salah paham. Terima kasih, selamat sore, dan salam Indonesia itu indah. Mudah-mudahan sebentar lagi berkumandang azan maghrib, berarti waktunya berbuka puasa. Saya mengucapkan selamat berbuka puasa bagi saudara kita yang melaksanakan ibadah puasa. Mudah-mudahan puasa hari ini kita diberi kemenangan sampai sebentar lagi datangnya waktu berbuka puasa guys. Alhamdulillah udah apa guys, udah azan, berarti saatnya untuk kita berbuka puasa. Tapi nggak apa-apa, kita akan terbang sebentar saja guys.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too